tear-filled eyes, we ask why. Frozen, we can't move, we just cry again. We ask the Lord, why take her our pride, our prize? She still had the world in her very eyes. Is this a sign of dark times? Did you need her brightness, need it to help heaven shine? Why take her and leave us behind? Now it's her brightness that will help the heaven shine. Gone in just 15 young years, now it only tears, only tears. They are the heart's lubrication, with us being filled by the impact on the souls you touched. With them love you filled, still frozen on my knees. Lord, I have one more plea. Hold on to our angel Lizzie. She was everything we ever needed, everything we believed in. The soul she touched, she healed them. She was already an angel on earth before she got to the heavens. In these dark times, it's her brightness that will make the heavens shine.